Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add automatic numbering table in publisher document. So let's started. At first open your publisher document. In this video I will show add numbering automatic table. Now firstly going to the insert button option. Now then click for table option. Now select from a table. Now this is your table. Now select from a columns. Now select from two columns option. Now going to the again home menu option, then click for a numbering icon option. Now select from a numbering. That it's. Now you can see add automatic number in table. Then again select from a row. Now going to the home menu option, then click for a numbering option. Now select from a number. That it's. Now you can see add automatic numbering table in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.